Hello everyone. We have discussed 50 questions in part 1 of paper 2. Now in this video we are going to discuss the remaining questions. Okay. So first question is Thar desert stretches to Indian states like Rajasthan, Punjab and Gujarat. Question number 2. Which of the following sequences indicates trend in the evolution of thallus in algae? Option C is correct. Unicellular, colonial, filamentous and heterotrichous. Question number 3. Dendrochronology deals with determination of age of a tree with बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं like diffused porous wood, ring porous wood, hard ring porous wood and sapwood. तो correct answer is D. 2 and 4 means ring porous wood and sapwood. Okay. Question number 4. The immediate products of meiosis in megaspore mother cell are megaspore. ठीक है. Next. Question number 5. Rezapine, a therapeutical active compound used for hypertension and epilepsy, is obtained from roots of Rauwolfia serpentina. Question number 6. In plants, first step in the synthesis of sulfur-containing organic compounds is reduction of sulfate. Which of the following amino acids is synthesized in this process? Option B is correct, cysteine. 7. Question number 7. Lolium is a long day plant. Which of the following light treatments will result in flowering in this plant? Option D is correct, red, far red and red. Okay. Allopolyploids eventually give rise to amphidiploids. These can be easily recognized by looking at their karyotype. Question number 9. In animal kingdom, there are animals who show true and false body segmentation. Animals characterized by the presence of coelom and segmentation of the body belong to the phylum Annelida. Question number 10. During last few centuries, our Earth has seen considerable extinction of fauna and flora. However, scientists came across some species thought to have been extinct by chance. The living fossil Latimeria chalumnia is an example of lobe-finned fish. Next question 11. If gonadotropin releasing hormone was to be secreted in large amounts and at a constant rate rather than in pulsatile manner, one of the following would happen. Secretion of luteinizing hormone would increase at first and then decrease. Question number 12. So, question number 12 is prevention of polyspermia of an egg predominantly contributed by a process is called cortical granule breakdown. Okay. Question number 13. In amphibians, the embryonic gene expression does not begin during cleavage in early embryos. The maternal mRNAs are translated, whereas at later stages there is induction of embryonic gene expression. This phenomenon is called mid-blastular transition. Question number 14. Mimicry is exhibited by harmless colubrid snakes which resemble the poisonous snake of the genus Elaps in having beautiful body coloration of alternating red and black bands. Option D is correct, Batesian. Question number 15. A period of arrested development in the life cycle of some insect pest is known as diapause. Question number 16. Completion of the life cycle of the material parasite Plasmodium requires two hosts because after passing through the pre-erythrocytic and erythrocytic cycles in its human host, the parasite requires low ambient temperature for further development. Therefore, it enters second host, the mosquito. Question number 17. Ability to taste phenyl thiocarbamide in human beings is controlled by a single gene. The tasters being either TT means capital T or capital T small t यानी कि heterozygous है and non-tasters being small t यानी कि homozygous recessive. Suppose in a population of human beings, different genotypes are represented by ratio 0.50 capital T ratio 0.20 capital T small t, ratio 0.30 capital small t. The gene frequencies will be capital T equals to 0.60, small t 0.40. If population attains equilibrium, one would expect the genotypic ratio as option number C, 0.30 capital T, ratio 0.40 capital T small t, and ratio 0.30 small t. Question number 18. Exposure of an organism to carcinogens often results in mutagenesis. This leads to alterations in important growth regulatory genes. Carcinogens are therefore identified by amines test. Okay. Question number 19. State which of the following statements is correct in case of population analysis. तो इसमें भी क्लेम हुआ था, तो इसके दो ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हैं, ए बी और सी बी. ओके. The rare allele is represented predominantly in heterozygotes, particularly as it becomes rare, and equilibrium values in any population cannot be reached in a single generation of random mating. Okay, so option A and option C both are correct. Okay, moving ahead. Question number 20. The frequency with which spontaneous mutations arise in a normal diploid population is 10 to the power minus 8. Okay. Question number 21. Activation of formation of different kinds of microfilament like actin network and actin bundles, stress fibers, are caused by cell signaling mediated by a particular protein family member. Which of the following is involved in formation of stress fibers? So answer is Rho factor. Okay. Next, question number 22. In mammals, sex is determined by presence or absence of Y chromosome. The search for sex-determining genes has led to identification of HY, BKM, ZFY as testis-determining genes. Recently identified SRY, जिसको हम sorry gene भी कहते हैं, right? SRY gene, a putative sex-determining gene, has one of the following properties assigned. तो आंसर है D. A. DNA binding protein expressed in genital ridges at 8.5 dpc. ये बहुत इन डेप्थ क्वेश्चंस है, ध्यान से आप अपनी थ्योरी प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. During G2 phase of cell cycle, cyclin B is synthesized and it forms a complex with CDK. This complex, called MPF, is crucial for the cells to enter mitosis. However, there is an extensive regulation of activity of MPF. There are kinases and phosphatases which take part in for conversion of an inactive MPF to an active MPF that initiates mitosis. There are the following possibilities. So इसमें चार options are like phosphorylation of CDK by B1 kinase, phosphorylation of CDK by CA kinase, and dephosphorylation of CDK inhibitory site by CDC25, and fourth number is dephosphorylation by PTEN. So correct option is C, यानी कि option number 2 and option number 3 will be correct. Phosphorylation of CDK by CAK and dephosphorylation of CDK inhibitory site by CDC25. Okay, next question 24. Lamp brush chromosome in frog oocytes exhibit an index of amplification of mRNA. ये important है, ये आ भी चुका है और दूसरे सेट में. Like question number 25. Principle of holosynotic environment means every factor affects every other factor in an ecosystem. Okay. Question number 26. Last few years, humans have seen rapid degradation of ecosystems. This has led global pressure on conservation of fauna and flora in this direction. The trees and shrubs are planted on all unused and fallow land to provide fuel wood, fodder, etc., thereby reducing pressure on existing forests. For example, unused farmlands, community land, road and rail sites, etc., are planted with suitable indigenous and exotic tree species. This is known as social forestry. Question 27. Typha augustata grows abundantly in wetlands. Question number 28. A student examined two different groups of cells and made the following observation. So हमें टेबल दी हुई है. Here we have table. इस तरफ दिया है trait, cell 1 and cell column जो third है हमारा cell 2 का है. सो ट्रेट है हमारे सेल वॉल, राइबोसोम्स, न्यूक्लियस, एबिलिटी टू डू फोटोसिंथेसिस, रेस्पिरेशन। और सेल 1 और सेल 2 में जो कंपैरिजन है वो दिया हुआ है। ओके, सो दीज ऑब्जर्वेशन सपोर्ट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंक्लूजन्स। तो हम देखते हैं पहले हमारे जो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं। तो कंक्लूजन हमारा जो सही है वो है हमारा सेल 1 इज अ प्रोकैरियोट। क्यों? देखिए, जो सेल 1 है हमारा, उसमें सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट है बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है, और राइबोसोम्स प्रेजेंट है और बोल रहा है कि एबिलिटी टू डू फोटोसिंथेसिस, न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट है कह रहा है, फोटोसिंथेसिस कर सकता है, प्रेजेंट है, चलो रेस्पिरेशन भी प्रेजेंट है। तो इसमें न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट बोला है, तो न्यूक्लियस हमेशा प्रोकैरियोट्स में ही एब्सेंट होती है। सेल 2 में क्या है? प्रेजेंट है, तो ये क्या होगा? सेल 2 हमेशा, ये क्या होगा हमारा? सेल 2, ये होगा हमारा यूकैरियोट। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 29। Viruses generally infect only one or a few particular species. This is called host range. Okay, next, E. coli is used as a fecal pollution indicator. हाँ, ये बात सही है, ये हमने कहीं डेप्थ में पढ़ा भी है कि फीकल पॉल्यूशन इंडिकेटर है ई कोलाई। द वाटर गिविंग पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ ई कोलाई इज डिक्लेयर्ड नॉन पोर्टेबल और अनफिट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग। Which of the following is the most correct explanation for the above strategy? तो ऑप्शन सी is correct. E. coli and enteropathogens both enter water through fecal matter. Okay, question number 31. The stimulation of microbial decomposition of recalcitrant compounds by the addition of microorganisms specific for its degradation is termed as bioaugmentation. Two statements 1 and 2 are given below. Statement 1. Some vaccines, when administered, protect the recipient from the specific infection for long periods. And statement 2. Antibodies induced by some antigens are stable enough to persist in body for long periods. Which of the following options is correct? So option C is correct. Statement 1 is correct, but the statement 2 is incorrect. Okay, question number 33. In a single substrate reaction, competitive inhibitor was added to examine the effect on Km and Vmax values. Okay, which of the following equations will be correct? तो इक्वेशन जो ये दी है हमारी बी वाली, ये हमारी करेक्ट होगी। इसके लिए इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस को अटेंड करने के लिए आपको जितनी भी इक्वेशंस हैं हमारी एंजाइमोलॉजी में, वो सारी इक्वेशंस और उन सारे इक्वेशंस के कंडीशंस पता होनी चाहिए। Question number 34. Although pancreas is the site of storage of proteolytic enzymes, these enzymes do not act on pancreatic tissue because they are in the form of proenzymes. Next question is, इस पे मैंने स्टार मार्क भी किया हुआ है कि ये important है। Question number 35. A sigmoidal plot of substrate concentration versus velocity indicates cooperative binding. Question number 36. The disaccharide that does not react with Benedict's reagent is sucrose. Okay. 37. An amino acid contains no ionizable groups in its side chain, means R. ठीक है. It is titrated from pH 0 to 14. ठीक. Which of the following ionizable state is not observed during the entire titration in the pH range 0 to 14? So option D is correct. Okay. Next, question 38. Which of the following sugar pucker favors Z conformation of DNA? So answers, option C is correct. SYNG-NC3- endo sugar. Option 13. Question number 39. The sequence in which the following electron carriers are organized in electron transport chain is option C. NADH dehydrogenase, ubiquinone, cytochrome A, NA3. Electron transport chain chapter number I guess 13, 14 और 15 में होगा, क्लास 11th, तो उससे आप गो थ्रू करिए, आपको ये और ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगी चीज़। नेक्स्ट, Okay, so next question is question number 40. Maple syrup disease is a result of genetic defect in metabolism of branched chain amino acid. Option B. Which of the following tissues utilize ketone body acetoacetate as a source of energy during prolonged starvation? B. Oh, sorry. A. Brain. The tertiary structure of proteins is stabilized by various interactions. Which is the weakest interaction of the following? Van der Waals interactions is the weakest, okay, among these three. Hibernating animals can maintain their body temperature during hibernation period. This is made possible by uncoupling oxidative phosphorylation from ATP synthesis. Question number 44. There are many compounds that are known to be inhibitors of mitochondrial electron transport chain. Which of the following is not an inhibitor of ETC? Dinitrophenol. Question 45. Coding strand in double-stranded DNA is identical in sequence to transcribed RNA and identical to sense strand of DNA. Both the options are correct in this question, okay? All right, now coming to the question 46. Genetic density in eukaryotic organisms is constantly lower and more variable than in prokaryotes compared to lower eukaryotes like the yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, the human genome has 50-fold lower gene density. The eukaryotic genes are also much larger in size. This is because eukaryotic genome has high proportion of repeats and satellite DNA, and genes have introns. Okay. Question number 47. Non-homologous nucleotide sequences in two DNA molecules could be visualized using southern blotting and hybridization. बाकी के जो ऑप्शंस हैं फ्लोरेसेंट जो फिश है राइट फ्लोरेसेंट इन सिटू हाइब्रिडाइजेशन है ना हेटेरोजिप्लेक्स टेक्निक्स इम्यूनोब्लॉटिंग टेक्निक्स नदर्न ब्लॉटिंग एक्सेट्रा इन सबको भी पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको क्योंकि सदर्न ब्लॉटिंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर विजुअलाइजिंग ऑफ डीएनए बैंड्स पर हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हम नदर्न ब्लॉटिंग किसके लिए यूज होती है फिश किसके लिए यूज होती है ना एक्सेट्रा. Okay, so question number 48. RNA type C tumor viruses are negative strand viruses and amplify copy number of their genome by using an enzyme encoded by them, which is. इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा डाउट है मुझे क्योंकि इसका आंसर जो आंसर की में दिया हुआ है वो और जो हम लोगों ने आर्टिकल से पता किया उससे थोड़ा सा अलग है. इस वजह से मैंने इसका कोई आंसर टिक नहीं लगाया है. हम दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे जाते हैं. मुझे कमेंट बताइएगा अगर इसके आंसर आपको मिले तो. Question number 49. In an experiment to determine genetic code, synthetic RNA molecules with different composition of A and C nucleotide were used. A. Poly AC 5:1 and B. Poly AC 1:5. Lysine was incorporated in case of A with very high frequency and proline in case of B. Lysine incorporation was least in B. The codon assignment could be concluded as option A is correct. AAA lysine, CCC proline. Question number 50. The eukaryotic RNAs transcripts are much longer than the final mRNAs. Splicing is a characteristic feature of eukaryotic processing. This process is known as ribozymes and lariat formation. अच्छा, इसके साथ साथ हमें पता होना चाहिए कि स्प्लाइसिंग टेक्स प्लेस इन यूकैरियोटिक डीएनए ओनली. प्रोकैरियोट्स के अंदर स्प्लाइसिंग नहीं होती है, ठीक है, क्योंकि प्रोकैरियोट में जो आरएनए होता है उनमें इंट्रॉन्स नहीं होते हैं, वो एक्सॉन्स ही होता है पूरा और वो पूरा का पूरा ट्रांसलेट होके प्रोटीन बन जाता है इन केस ऑफ प्रोकैरियोट्स ओनली. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. इन एन एपोजिया सिचुएशन ऑफ लैक ऑपेरॉन. ये एपोजिया बेसिकली क्या है, ये पूरे जीन के नाम लिखे हुए, इंड्यूसर, प्रोमोटर, ऑपरेटर एंड ZYA तो हमें पता ही है स्ट्रक्चरल जीन्स होते हैं, राइट. So in an IPOZYA eposia situation of a lac operon where beta galactosidase is generally inducible by lactose, diploids were created in a transduction experiment in an hypoxia या hypoxia situation, which of the following statements is valid? अब हम बात कर रहे हैं बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज की, तो उसे ट्रांसक्राइब कौन करता है? हमारा स्ट्रक्चरल जीन Z. ओके, सो इसका आंसर होगा करेक्ट ऑप्शन नंबर 1 ए, है ना. बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज विल बी कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिवली एक्सप्रेस्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट question number 52. Which of the following is not a feature of transcription factor? Option A is correct, glycosylation domain. Question 53. For precise quantification of differential gene expression at mRNA level for a gene X, which of the following methods will be used? RT-PCR. Question 54. Modified nucleotides provide additional level of information over and above genetic code. This influences genotype-phenotype correlation. This is due to the ability of such modified nucleotides to influence, option A is correct, DNA protein interactions and DNA conformations. Okay. Question number 55. Cancer is said to be a multi-step process. Oncogenes and anti-oncogenes are involved in the process of carcinogenesis. The reason for cancer phenotype is A. Oncogenes acquire a dominant activation mutation while anti-oncogenes get inactivated. Question number 56. If a woman desires to conceive after the age of 35, she needs genetic counseling. This is particularly required because of incidents of in the babies born to such mothers. So, Down syndrome condition जब होती है तो this is the correct option. Okay. Question number 57. So, CI857 is a mutation in lambda phage, wherein the repressor protein is temperature sensitive and gets inactivated at 45 degrees Celsius. Which of the following is true for this mutant of lambda phage? So, correct answer is this mutant will not produce plaques in plate assay on E. coli host at 37 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, I think this is chlorine. Question number 58. Chromosome walking technique relies on genomic libraries. Okay, बहुत simple था. During natural transformation in bacteria, fragment of single strand enters the recipient cell upon its interaction with the recipient. A structure that results in is termed as merozygote. Question number 60. Given genome size of an organism is 4 into 10 to the power 5 base pair and its G plus C content means guanine and cytosine content is 50%. Complete digestion of this genomic DNA by BAM-H1 GGATCC will yield an average fragment size of 4 kb. DNA footprinting technique is used in detection of predisposition of genetic diseases and say detection of protein DNA interactions. Both are correct. Okay. So, transgenic animals can be utilized to produce recombinant therapeutic proteins such as insulin and growth hormones in order to produce genetically identical individuals which can be used for generations of animal farms or biofarming. The following strategies can be utilized by cloning of animals. Okay. Question 63. In barely plants, cross was carried out between Hordeum vulgare and Hordeum bulbosum. Immature embryos were cultured in vitro on MS medium to overcome natural abortion. 35% of embryos grown in vitro showed development of haploid plants with vulgare genome. This phenomenon has occurred due to distant hybridization. Okay. Question number 64. For cloning hybridomas, the cells need to be distributed through serial dilutions to the extent of single cell deposited in a well in 96 well cell culture plates. To ensure that such a cell grows and propagates, the following is required. Option C, plate them on feeder layer of UV irradiated fibroblast cells. Option D भी सही है, but I'm going with option C. Okay, now question number 65. Release of calcium from endoplasmic reticulum in a fertilized egg is triggered by B. इनोसिटोल ट्राइफॉस्फेट पाथवे, ये IP3 बहुत बार पूछा जाता है, डैग के बारे में, IP3 के बारे में बहुत बार आता है. ओके. Question number 66. Suppose the sodium concentration outside a cell is 100 mm and inside it is 10 mm. The lactose concentration on both sides of membrane is 10 mm. If there is an integral membrane protein for the symport of sodium and lactose, which of the following results would you expect? So correct answer will be both lactose and sodium will enter the cell. Okay. Question number 67. The most suitable ligand for purification of glycoproteins from a given mixture of protein is heparin. Okay. Question 68. Which of the following microscopic techniques is useful to observe three-dimensional structure of the cell? Option A is correct, SEM. Okay. Question number 69. You have been asked to measure DNA synthesis. Which radioisotope is of better choice? A. H3 thymidine. Question number 70. DNA sequence determination classically involves sequencing by synthesis or degradation, which is used in Sanger and Maxim Gilbert method. In the NGS, next generation sequencing, which of the following method is used? So option C is correct, luminescence. Okay. Question number 71. Which of the following molecules has the highest molar extension coefficient? So GFP and rhodamine दोनों सही आंसर है. Okay. Question number 72. Leukemia or blood cancer is uncontrolled proliferation of an abnormal clone of hematopoietic cells. The diagnosis is generally based on detection of abnormal cells in blood and bone marrow. One of the most powerful confirmatory approach is immunophenotyping of the cells. The immunophenotyping analysis can be carried out by flow cytometry. Question number 73. In a HPLC separation of a sample, it is suspected that two known molecules could be present in a single peak. How can you verify this? So option D is correct, changing the mobile phase. Question number 74. This is the second last question. Okay. So which of the following enzymatic reaction produces chromatogenic product? So हमें बताइए. Option B, beta galactoside is using X-gal. सो ये जो बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज है ये हमारी स्ट्रक्चरल जीन जो है Z उससे ही ट्रांसक्राइब होती है और ये हमें लैकोपेरॉन में दिया हुआ है और ये हमारा क्लियरली मेंशन किया हुआ है चैप्टर नंबर 11 या 12 है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का जो हमारी NCERT क्लास 12 में दिया हुआ है. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 75, the last question. The resemblance between groups and within groups of relatives can be determined by applying which test? ANOVA. Okay, thank you so much for this video.